How's it going, Carl here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a signature in your Gmail account. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go to see all settings. When we go to see all settings, all we're going to do is scroll down here, and we're going to look for signatures, and there it is. So when you see signatures, all you're going to do is just create a new signature, give it a name, default, hit create. Then you're just going to type in your signature. We'll just give it a fake number and then give it an email. Signature default. For new emails and on reply, we're going to use default. I'm going to hit save. Now when we compose a new email, anytime you compose a new email, you'll see your signature there. And that is how you create a signature for your Gmail email. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Carl. Peace.